This is going to be a video about controlling your Roomba from your computer. Before you do this, make sure your Roomba has an SCI port that you can send commands to. It's this port here. Let me unplug it. It's a mini DIN connector, so you can see that. And I actually have a 500 series Roomba. The Roombas that can be controlled from your computer with this SCI port are ones that are newer than 2005, and probably all of the Roombas in the 500 series. It looks like iRobot's going to be discontinuing support for the SCI port in the future, but they do have a new Roomba called the iRobot Create. It's about $130, and it's specifically designed for developers to play around with and control the vacuuming robot. So, like I said, make sure that you have a Roomba you can actually control through this port, or else this isn't going to work for you. So I have the Roomba 540, and I had to take the cover off, and this was the cover, and I popped it off. I have another video that shows how to do that. Okay, the things you're going to need to control the Roomba from the computer in the way I'm going to show is you're going to need a Roostick or some kind of Roomba serial interface. The Roostick is right here. This is from SparkFun, and it converts a USB cable here. There's drivers that will convert the USB port into a serial port, what seems like a serial port. And there's a USB to serial adapter on this Roostick. And so you can see this little USB mini B goes in, and then it comes out with that mini DIN connector, and it goes to the Roomba. And you're going to need this cable, the mini DIN cable. You can also get that at SparkFun. SparkFun also has the drivers, that USB to serial driver I was talking about. And you're going to need the RoombaComm program. There's this great book called Hacking Roomba that Tod E made, and he developed the RoombaComm program. It's open source. He has other people that are maintaining it right now, and you can get it on the internet and use it and control your Roomba. So that's a really great book. It's from 2007, so it's a little bit out of date for the 500 series, but you can get, there's a new specification called the OI specification instead of SCI, and the main difference is the baud rate to connect to the 500 series Roombas is, what is it? I don't know how to say it. It's 115,200 as opposed to the 57 whatever it is, 1,000 baud rate. So that's the big deal. If you don't have your baud rate set right, you're not going to be able to control your Roomba. But with this RoombaComm program, you don't have to worry about that. It's already in there. So to get the code for the RoombaComm, you need to go to... So I'll put this on the show notes, the video notes. There's a website called hackingroomba.com, and this is where you get the where you can get this great program that will let you control your Roomba. There is where is it? Oh, okay. So from here you can get the 96-zip program, or you can go to, oh, new location, here it is. There's the new home, and you can get the latest RoombaComm stores here, and you can use the SVN to get that. There's Tortoise SVN, which is a good SVN client to get projects from SVN. SVN is a source control system. So here's our program when we're ready to control a Roomba. You can choose the speed, you can turn it however you want to. So you're going to use the serial connection, the driver, and the operating system. The program could determine that we're in COM4. You want to choose the Roomba protocol that you have. that you're using for your Roomba. So if you have a 400 series or earlier, you see this 100 to 400, that's called SCI. The newer one's called OI, but it's still the interface, whatever they want to call it. So we're actually connected right now. So I'm going to use the control buttons here, and I'm going to hit forward and backwards. So let's watch the Roomba go. Backwards, so look at that. Oh, it's going to run over. Forward. Do turn. There's a little beep sound. Beep. Oops, high beep. Beep. Low beep. Beep. Could turn the vacuum on. Well, let's turn it some more so you can see that little thing. Okay, so we'll turn the vacuum on. You can see that started. Okay. So the only bummer about this is there's an actual cable. You can only go so far. You have to carry your laptop around if you want to actually go far. So I'm going to be working on a wireless solution in the future, but I just wanted to show you this. Hope it's helpful. Thanks.